Hi, welcome back to the channel. We're on the Galaxy car today, but if you knew, I'm Katie, this is Sly, and we've got Kai in the back. We are going to, so if it's bumpy, we're going down our lane. We're going to see a new car. It's an MG what?
It's an MG5. I'm not entirely sure whether we're test driving the long range version or the standard version. I can't remember. We arranged this back in the summer when the children were off, because this car we're currently in, I to get some fuel for it yesterday. But before that, I hadn't filled it up since before Kai was born. And he's two and a bit. It has done less than 1,000 miles in 3 years.
So we're gonna go and view this car because
because we need a bigger car.
Yes.
But I hate driving this Galaxy with a passion.
So we are going to view it and see what it's like, and we thought we would just take you along to show you. So we will catch you up later.
MG5? No, actually. It's the long range. That one. That one. Oh, because that's the demonstrator. This is the showroom you want. Alright. So, I want AC. Where's temperature? That's fan speed. That's the temperature. Okay. Oh, that's nice and cool. Okay, let's go somewhere. Rear camera. Okay. Right. Okay, so this is the base specky one. Let's turn the radio off. Right, we've just got in the car. Ellie's pushchair fits. I'm going to try sport. This will be interesting because this car I know can go a lot faster than my Zoe. 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay, that goes quick up. That goes quick up. Can we have eco again, please? Thank you. Right, that's the... Okay, this car can certainly get off the line a bit quicker than Zoe. I'd say the aircon works a bit better than Zoe's.
I do like, I don't know if I can see it, I like how it's all in one.
Yeah, I was going to say that the dash certainly looks a bit better. There's a few things that are not quite so good, like there's no speed limiter option. Well, there's a sort of maximum speed, but you can't sort of On Zoe I can sort of set it for every road I'm on. Okay, but we're at 95% battery and we've got 189 miles of range left. That's probably going to change a bit.
You like it, Kai? We've got Kai in his car seat.
Yeah, you should be able to see him. Right. So my plan for a drive is that I'm going to take the car on the A55, which is the closest we've got to a motorway, to check that. Turn round to the island, come back, go to Tesco, put it on charge, see what the charging's like, give you guys a look round the car, give us a good look round the car, and take it from there. Hi, what do you think of the car? Yeah, we're going to get in the back together. Have to go a long way back to fit it on in. What do you think of the car, Kai?
Great car,
Yeah, so we're sitting in the back. Nice padded roof, A-bars. What do you think of it? Handle. Another handle. We got a little. So we've got 3 decent sized foot headrests. I think. There's Mummy. We've got a little cubby hole down here and an air vent. What do you think, Kai? Is it nice? Camera. A boot that's big enough for a pushchair. Split rear seats. Right. Hello, Kai. Yes, it's moaning because I Right, I've just got back to the garage. I've got Kai with me. The battery's at 69. It was at 95, I think, when we had it. We've done 60 miles. And we've used 1.3 miles per kilowatt. The average, that's the current load, tyre pressures, motory thing, speeds. And if we go on here, I don't know, I'm still learning what here does. Take my memory stick out, and we've got this. There we go, that's what I wanted. We've got car. I don't want to do any of that. Accessor? Okay. Right. There we go. So we've done 60 miles, and it's got 144. So yeah, easily 200-mile range. Oh. Did you like it, Kai? No, what didn't you like? Is it because you wanted juice? Yeah, well, we're going to go in now, okay? And then look at all these lovely chargers that they're putting in. They're not turned on yet, but that's a decent amount of chargers. I've spoken to the guy at the garage before, I think, a year ago when I was first looking at the NG5. I'll get out and give you a quick... But he drives this car as his daily to and from work car because he thinks it's the nicest, which is something you don't really get with most Renault garages. They don't seem to know or care about him. The guy I've been speaking to seems to know his stuff. But I'm going to go in now and. It's alright, I've just found the cruise control. Oh dear. And I will speak to you in a bit. Hi everyone, I'm back in the Galaxy, and I'm parked right next to our new car. We'll be picking it up in a couple of weeks. Just got to wait for it to all be processed. Do you like that blue car, Kai? You like the blue car? Our car, that's right. So I'm going to go home now and meet Katie, and I will speak to you later. All right. Say hello. Hello. Right, we've just got to go and get some milk, and then this little one here is going to nursery. And then we're picking up the new car. Car, can you say car? Car. Right, it's 8:25. We've just got some milk, haven't we, Kai? Yeah, we got some milk from the local dairy. I'll stick some footage of that, what little I could get. There was nowhere to stick my phone to record. And now I'm about to take Kai to nursery. And then I'm going to go and pick Katie up because she's at work. And then we're going to pick up the new car. That'll be good, won't it? I'm sure they've had a delivery of new cars. And away.
Don't do sport because it was very
Sporty.
sport. Where we at? So you pleased? Think Ellie will be pleased?
I think so.
Yeah. If you can get the thing in, then you could pick us up, couldn't we? And you could have a ride after school if you wanted to.
Yeah.
Or not.
That sounds like well, I need to get used to it. What do you think of the car? Car. It's our new car. Yeah, new car. It's our car. I think that's funny. Absolutely nothing. Bong. Bong. I think it wants us to take the key. What do you think? Key.
I've got the key.
Does it look nice? It does. Then you do that, and then that's all nice. Then Kai's bag. I want the charging cable. The granny cable. Sit there, look. Take it middle. Look in the front. In the middle. Or do you need a wee way? Hey? Hey! Look at my car. Hello, these don't look like yours now.